Hi, can I have a medium cookie butter cold brew? Ooh. We got our coffee. Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. We are trying something completely different today, and we are trying a vlog style video. Not something that I am super well versed in, but it is another episode or another year of coffee and concealers. So we have procured our coffee, which this is the cookie butter cold brew coffee from Dunkin' with, this is 1 pump of cream, I guess. I'm not quite sure their units, but it is delicious. All you baddies can stay with Starbucks because this pumpkin cookie butter, not whatever, is good. Cookie butter cold brew is what I meant to say. It's delicious. So we are going to drink some coffee and go shopping for some concealer. And we're just gonna see where the day takes us. I'm in the same outfit as my last video because I'm trying to film a lot of videos before we go and do a bunch of traveling for the holidays and whatnot. So let's go get some concealer. Okay, we got a good parking spot. We're like right in front of the store. That's wonderful. I'm going to try and like show you some of my like favorite concealers, as well as maybe try and pick up something new because I have had my eye on a Lancome one for quite some time. So I'm hoping that we can do that. All right, let's go in. First is some color correcting. These are from LA Girl. They're $4.99, which is super affordable, but I really love these for color correcting, especially for like all skin tones. They come in like super pastel to like really deep, which is really, really nice. And they're quite pigmented too for being so affordable. Favorite are these e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealers. They're $7. They are an exact dupe for the Shape Tape, the Tarte Shape Tape. Same with the Camo Concealers. These ones are matte. Oh, no, these ones are matte. Sorry, again, vlogging, not my thing. But I like the hydrating ones a little bit better. The only thing is it's a little difficult to color correct or color match, but for $7 you can't beat it. This isn't concealer, but Rosenben was showing this red lipstick on her Instagram, and it's like a Kylie dupe, and I don't care. It just looked gorgeous on her, so we're getting it. Another favorite for anybody who is like a no makeup wear, $11. It's the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I almost use this as foundation, like all over my face. $11, like 2 or 3 pumps lasts you, again, like your whole face. Really love it. And I want to get the light, but they never have it in stock. I have vanilla and that matches me amazingly, but I want to try the light for like underneath my eyes, but they never have it. You already know that I use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in like all of my makeup looks. They have a decent shade range. $13.99 isn't too bad. It lasts a long time. Another dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape in my opinion. Here's one that I haven't tried. I use the 2-in-1 foundation, but I don't use the concealer, so I think I'm gonna pick that one up today. I don't know how much it is. Oh, $10.99, so that'll be good. I'm gonna try light vanilla. I think I also scared somebody off by vlogging. I think I just scared somebody off by vlogging. I don't do this generally, and so I'm not very well versed in it, as I stated, but we have a couple concealers. I'm gonna head over to the high-end side because I pretty much pointed out everything on the drugstore end side. I'm a little nervous, which is why I'm stumbling over my words, because I don't want people to like see me vlogging. Does anybody else feel this way when they're trying to vlog? Just asking. So this is the Lancome one that I wanted to try, the full coverage multitasking concealer. It's $29, which is kind of a lot, but I think we're gonna try it. It says a flawless finish, all-in-one usage, under eyes, blemishes, fine lines, whatnot. So I think we're gonna pick this up, but I gotta figure out which one's mine color first. I want to say light warm, but I could also maybe do light neutral. I don't know, we're gonna have to test them out. Okay, so I have the light ivory warm, light ivory cool, light bisque warm, and light buff cool on my hands, and I think I'm gonna go with the bisque warm, which is this one all the way over here. I know you can't see because I have to use my hands, but yeah, we're gonna try that out. I'm kind of excited. I love the applicator. Let me show it to you. It has such a unique doe foot. It's like chunky but has a nice flat side, and then it has like a nice tip. Yeah, it's pretty unique. I like it. I'm excited. All right, $29, hopefully well invested. Tarte Shape Tape, always a good staple. They also have these little mini sizes in 14 if you want to try it out. The big ones are $31, which I think have increased, or maybe I just always buy it on sale. I don't know. Has a good shade range. They also come in creamy, but I did not like the creamy formula as much as I just like the OG matte. Some people like the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, but I've tried it and I just can't get on with it. I don't know what it is, but for $31, I don't think it's worth the investment. Maybe I just need something more heavy duty, but honestly, I'd skip it. But that's a personal opinion. Don't come at me. I'm gonna try this Bright Fix Eye Brightener in Butter. I could also do the Rose Quartz one, but I already have enough pink correctors, and the Butter is more like a yellow. I just tried it on my hand. And I definitely need a much more yellow underneath my eyes than I do pink, because I have like redness underneath my eyes, so we're gonna try it. It is $26, so it's kind of expensive. I don't know. We'll try it out. It has a lot of pigment, so I'm hopeful. I was in the coffee and concealer video, I think, last year, and I really like it. Again, lightweight, good for every day. Kind of expensive though at $30, but, and not really great shade range, but like, it gets the job done if you're looking for something high-end. Another concealer that's on my try list is $20. It's from Beauty Bakery. It's been on my try list for quite some time. I don't know why I don't invest in it. I just always like pick up other things first. But if anybody has experience with this, let me know, because I want to try it. Hiding in the waxing aisle because nobody comes down this aisle for obvious reasons. I think we're gonna go check out. I've gotten 4 or 5 concealers and a lipstick, none of which I actually need, believe it or not. I don't know where to look. Like, this is where my camera is, but I'm looking at myself, so sorry about that again. New time vlogger. Also, 2 employees complimented my hair. Space buns for the win. What? Okay, we're gonna go check out. This is an amazing angle. So we're back in the car. I have the car running because it is chilling outside. I know this is not great, but I just wanted to go through what I got real quick. I did change parking spots so that somebody else could have my amazing spot. And also, makeup is expensive. I know I say that every single time I go to purchase makeup, but like, thank goodness I checked my app and I had a $10 off coupon of a $50 purchase, and prestigious brands were included in that, because honestly, people, honestly, we need to be changing the prices of concealer. I shouldn't have to pay almost $100 for my under eyes to look amazing. I understand I bought multiples, but that's also because most of my concealers are like years old and I probably shouldn't keep them. But anyways, we started off the trip by getting some e.l.f. hydrating camo concealers. I got the Fair Warm because that's the one that I usually go to like brighten up my under eyes, but then I also am going to try this light peach to see if it matches like my everyday complexion. It looks a little dark. I don't know, we'll see. As like an everyday concealer, we'll see. I really like the Fair Warm. The light sand is like too yellowy, so we'll see. I don't know. I picked them up. If I don't like it, I can always return it with a receipt. Next is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. I got light vanilla. Again, I like to wear my concealers a little bit on the light, like yellow side. I think this is going to be amazing. I am so excited. I love the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation from Milani. Very nice. Prestigious side, I did end up picking up that Lancome, the all over concealer. I got Bisque Warm, which again, I'm also a little like hesitant about because it seems a little bit like dark on the scale, but the other ones were too light and like, I don't know. So we will see. Again, it might not work. I got the Butter Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener because it had a yellow tint to it, and I have a bunch of pink correctors and I do like those, but I like to go a little bit more yellow underneath my eyes, so I'm gonna try this out. Super pigmented, so we will see. If anybody has experience using the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brighteners, let me know in the comments. And then because I was influenced by an influencer, Rose and Ben, you got me, I picked up the Peanuts X Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Santa Snoopy. Look at how cute that packaging is. It is like a red shimmery color. No, I did not need this. Yes, I did want it, and so I purchased it. So yeah, there you go. That was the haul. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Coffee and Concealers. That is what we are thankful for every Thanksgiving, and so that is why we do this video. I don't know if I'm going to do another vlog style video. You let me know if you liked it down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful or whatever, give it a big old thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Happy holidays. Be thankful for something this year. All right, bye.